Hi, my name is Rebecca Applegate. A lot of my friends just call me Reb or Becca. I grew up in Elizabeth, Colorado, but I now currently call Azle, Texas my home. It's a small town over by Fort Worth. So it's not really the middle of nowhere, but it feels like the middle of nowhere sometimes, which is kind of fantastic. This is a picture of me. Um, a couple of fun facts about myself is I have a metabolic disorder. It's called PKU, also known as phenylketonuria. Now, PKU is a metabolic disorder, which basically means that the things that I eat don't get processed the way that normal people's do. So with PKU, I have a hard time processing proteins. Just a couple of amino acids from the protein, one in particular, actually. So that means I don't eat meat. Yes, I'm a vegetarian. No, it's not by choice, but that's okay, because honestly, I really like cheese, and I can have a little bit of that. So for the most part, I'm pretty happy. Which leads me to my second fun fact, and that is that I love to bake. This here is a picture of some chocolate ganache cupcakes that I made. They were filled with caramel and were wonderful. This picture right here are some more cupcakes that I made. These ones were filled, as you can see, with a lemon curd and then coated with with a chocolate whipped cream. And then Thanksgiving time, I make all my own pies, which is kind of awesome. Which brings me to the last fun fact about myself. I served my mission in Alaska. This is a picture from Ron LaFleur. He is a photographer from one of my areas. And I just think that this is a gorgeous picture. It kind of captures the essence of Alaska, really. I mean, it's beautiful and wild, but magical, too. I guess the final question would be, how do I hope to apply this course? And honestly, I think that learning and understanding human development is something that's going to benefit all of us in pretty much all of our lives all of the time. I mean, right? A lot of us are going to go on to be parents or already are parents, and that'll help us to understand our children. A lot of us have families. We have parents, and they're going to start aging, and understanding what's happening to their bodies and their minds is going to help us to be more compassionate and loving towards them throughout that process. In reality, this class has implications that will influence our entire lives for the rest of our lives, and I think that that's incredible.